They trap you and they use you before you even know. Well, love is blind and you're far too kind.